So we about to work out. So lately, so if y'all don't know, I usually work out Monday through Thursday, right? And this is how I know my body is coming like accustomed of this, because Monday, like lately, like over the weekends, I've been having like the urge like to work out. I be wanting to be active. Like I gotta have my body do something that's active, right? So and look what time it is. It's 6:30. This is the time that I'll be heading to the gym. So, with that being said, I'm going to bring the gym to me. I'm going to bring the gym to me. I got some weights. Okay? I even have my little workout little mat, but I'm not going to use that today. So, hold that thought. Yeah. Workout.
Huh?
Workout.
Workout here?
Yep. I got I got my weights. I can work out. I'm about to do some reps that I'll be doing at the gym.
Why don't you just do a pre-workout and still go?
Cause I don't go to the gym on the weekends. I only go Monday through Thursday.
Oh yeah.
That's the day my classes are.
Mom.
What?
Did you check your wife's mom back?
Oh yeah, but you coming over?
Huh?
But you going over?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think I should let you go over? Like who set that up?
I mean, like, why can't I?
She gonna be there?
Yeah.
What y'all doing over there?
I think she's there right now. She gonna be there.
Yeah, I might take you. I'm gonna call her. Let me do this workout real quick. I'll call her back.
Okay.
You wanna work out with me?
Sure.
For real?
Sure.
Okay. Well, we gonna set the phone up over here then.
But why Chloe bite my foot?
Stop, Chloe.
Like.
But you don't got no weights, son.
Huh?
You don't got no weights.
Right, and your weight's too light.
You don't got no weights?
Your weight's too light.
You don't got no weights.
Huh?
You don't got no weights.
Well, I don't got no weights. Yeah, no, your weight's OD tight, man.
These is 12s. I mean, this is cool though for me.
You're right, yeah, for you, of course.
For what I'm about to do some stuff we kind of like be doing in our gym class. So, like for instance, let me do this.
Hi, Chloe.
And I'm going to do a little bit of like mixing them up. I just got to get my body active. That's all I have to do. Like, I just got to just be a little active, you know. My bones be popping. I'm gonna try. We did this one was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. And this is pretty cool. Y'all want to do it with me? Come on. Helps with balance. I was struggling with this yesterday. Trying to think. Whew. What's another one I need to do? I think I like when we do these. I think I like when we do these. When we do these. I don't want to do too much. Gonna do something though. What's another one I like? What's another one? I'm trying to think. Cause I'm waiting. Cause my legs, everything getting solid. 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 I'm trying to get someone to be solid. Like, you feel me though? It's coming. It's coming. Oh, I got that ball too. This girl I seen on Instagram, you know, little half ball thingies. She had the rubber part on the bottom, on the floor, the little half ball. Then she was on top of the flat surface, and she was doing all this, balancing the ball. I'm gonna have to try that, because I got that ball too. I got that ball. And if I master it, I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm definitely gonna try it. I just gotta go get it. It's in my basement. What's another workout I can do? I think this is one. Which one I want to do? It's another one that we do. I can't think of it though. I'm trying to think. No, I don't feel right. I don't know. I guess I'm done. Because guess what? I pushed myself. I pushed myself for greatness. I fought. Because you know why? I don't even work out on Saturdays. But I did. My body was feeling the need. And I did something. Something. You got your ass up to do it with me. For real? Okay, so we can do some more. I'll do a couple more with you guys. Straight arms with it. What are you talking about? Come on, I'll do a couple more reps. And then I'm done. That's it. I'm going to do a couple more for the people who I motivated, who got up and did it with me. I'm going to do a couple more. So, we're going to go out with a bang. We're just going to do some punches. We're going to do some punches. Now, we're going to do the other thing that I just did. This is it. So sit down. Okay, y'all can do this whether y'all got weights or not. Okay? So, whether you got weights or not, you're going to sit down. You're going to sit on your butt. Lay back. Put your legs up in a 45-degree angle. And you're going to come up off your back and reach for the stars, okay? Really your toes back. So, you just laying back, arms up, and you're going to reach, reach, reach. Reach, 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 reach. Woo. You should feel that all in your ass. All in your ass. Okay, you guys. I'm cheating? Did I? Shoot. They say no pain, no gain, and I felt that pain. So...